welcome. It's that time of the week when you sit back and relax while we get you all the action from B-Town. Over the next half hour, we'll tell you what happened through the week that was in Bollywood this week. On our top story this week, we have the reigning queen of B-Town, Deepika Padukone, who chose to completely ignore a question on her contemporary Anushka Sharma. Take a look in our next story. Deepika Padukone had revealed that she and Anushka Sharma are friends. Deepika said that she shares a good friendship with Anushka. But now we have Anushka's comment on this. And the comment is that Deepika is not her friend. Well, yes, Anushka has left everyone stunned with a shocking comment. She revealed that Deepika is not her friend. Now let's hear what Deepika had to say about this.
Recently, आपने करण के शो पर कहा था कि आप और अनुष्का फ्रेंड हैं, लेकिन अनुष्का ने करण के शो पर कहा था कि she is not friend with you.
This is not coffee with Karan, so I won't answer that question.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, take a look at how Deepika conveniently avoided the question.
Recently, आपने करण के शो पर कहा था कि आप और अनुष्का फ्रेंड हैं, लेकिन अनुष्का ने करण के शो पर कहा था कि she is not friend with you.
This is not coffee with Karan, so I won't answer that
Okay,
question.
thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, according to Deepika, this isn't coffee with Karan. And that's the reason she doesn't want to answer the question. It's okay if you want us to wait till next season of Coffee with Karan. But one thing's for sure, that Anushka's denial of being your friend has surely left us all shocked.
Recently, आपने करण के शो पर कहा था कि आप और अनुष्का फ्रेंड हैं, लेकिन अनुष्का ने करण के शो पर कहा था कि she is not friend with you.
This is not coffee with Karan, so I won't answer that
Okay,
question.
thank you very much. Thank you.
On the other hand, Anushka, who has been criticized a lot for her puffed up lips, decided to take a stand and issue a statement on a social networking site. Details in our next story. Every star who comes to Karan Johar's chat show makes headlines with their comments. But recently, there was a star who reached Kajol's show to create buzz not with her comments but by talking about her looks. And no, it wasn't Vidya Balan. For a change, we are talking about Anushka Sharma, who's been facing a lot of criticism these days because of her appearance. And the hero of the story is her brand new lips. Well, yes, you heard us right. A lot of tweets, jokes and SMSs are being circulated about Anushka's puffed up lips, especially after her appearance on Kajol's show, after which Anushka seems to have decided to put a full stop to all this. Well, yes, the actress recently issued a statement against the criticism in which she seems to be quite agitated about the entire fun being made about her lips. According to Anushka, she usually doesn't talk about her personal life, but this particular issue has left her quite disturbed and that's why she's giving her version on it. Anushka says, and I quote, "For a short while now, I have been using a temporary lip enhancing tool, and that along with makeup techniques I have learnt over the years is the reason why there might be a change in the appearance of my lips. Having stated this fact, let me very vehemently assure everyone that I have by no means gone under the knife or done any kind of plastic surgery or undergone any intrusive procedure. This was my decision and was done for the sake of my look in my upcoming film Bombay Velvet, a period drama where I play a jazz singer in the 1960s and 70s, and it was taken from the referencing of that time." Well, and in order to understand the topic further, Zoom got in touch with a well-renowned plastic surgeon inquiring about the temporary lip enhancing tool Anushka spoke about. This is what he had to say.
आजकल लोगों की शूटिंग की मजबूरी होती है, एक शॉट के लिए ऐसा लुक देना है, दूसरे शॉट में दूसरे तरह का, वहाँ पे ये काफ़ी मददगार साबित हो सकती है। पर फिर भी आज तक इतना बड़ा कोई चमत्कार नहीं हुआ है कि सर्जरी के बराबर रिजल्ट या नॉन इन्वेजिव फिलर के मुकाबले कोई रिजल्ट किसी भी तरह की कोई बाम या कोई ऑइंटमेंट या कोई ऑयल दे पाए। आपको कल क्लाइंट ने ये भी बोल दिया कि मेरी तो लिप चबाने की अपनी आदत है, मैं लगातार इसे चबाती रहती हूँ और इससे चबाने से ही मेरा लिप जो है बड़ा और सूज के मोटा हो गया है। भगवान भला करे आपका, यही कहेंगे। दूसरी बात होगी कि आप बोले कि जिस तरह के ये लिप और बाम ने मुझे परमानेंट रिजल्ट दे दिए, तो इसका अर्थ ये हो गया कि आप जो है हर 15 मिनट बाद जाकर के वो बाम का लगातार इस्तेमाल कर रही हैं, उसको जेल के अलावा आपको कोई और दूसरा काम बचा ही नहीं है। माई ओपिनियन इज दैट डेफिनेटली इट इज अ जॉब डन which looks like an overdone.
And that's not all. Anushka stated that it wasn't just the lips. There were other factors responsible as well. And she herself felt she didn't look the best on the show. Did I think I looked good on the KWK show? No. I do feel I could have done things differently. I do not believe in plastic surgery or any other means of unnatural permanent changes to the body. I do not support it or stand for it or recommend it. Now if someday my legs appear different and sexy to you, please don't say I've done something. Anushka, known for her quirky sense of humor, ended the statement with a sulky comment as well. Some of the Joker jokes, mimes doing the rounds, though a bit mean, did bring a smile to my lips. And Anushka's bold move was supported and appreciated by her contemporary Sonam Kapoor, wherein she said that she used to like Anushka as an actress and now she also likes her as a person. And Anushka didn't forget to thank her. Lip surgeries, cosmetic enhancements, these are the most integral, unexplored and unspoken topics in Bollywood. And Anushka is not the first one. There was a lot of buzz about Katrina Kaif's unusual lip appearance as well. But Catty Baby chose to stay tight-lipped. While in Hollywood, techniques like plastic surgeries, cosmetic enhancements are very common and the celebs don't mind speaking about it in open. On the other hand, the conservative thinking still remains in Bollywood. Well, we don't know about Anushka, but for those who chose such techniques, we would like to say, if you've done it, why not accept it? Moving on, here's actor Farhan Akhtar who clarifies rumors about signing Sonam Kapoor for Raise. Details in our next story. Farhan Akhtar has signed Sonam Kapoor for SRK's film. Farhan Akhtar is all set to rope in Sonam Kapoor for Raise. Farhan Akhtar and SRK have finalized Sonam Kapoor. Well, there has been a lot of buzz in the tabloids about SRK and Farhan Akhtar signing Sonam Kapoor for Raise. But how far is the news true? Let's hear it from the horse's mouth.
Is it true that Sonam is also going to be a part of Raise and we get to see you two together?
Well, I did read about it.
Oh, like us?
No, like many things. That I read that I'm hosting KBC possibly.
What do you say?
No, I read about it. Yes, there's many bits of news that keep coming out. Which have something to do with my life, but actually have nothing to do with my life. So we'll see. I mean that project is in kind of in a prep stage. We'll get into casting soon, and you all will know. Nothing will ever be a secret.
Well, according to Farhan, he has not even started casting for the film. And just like us, he too has been reading about signing Sonam in the newspapers. And that's not all. He even revealed that he will not be hosting KBC. Listen in.
Is it true that Sonam is also going to be a part of Raise and we get to see you two together?
Well, I did read about it.
Oh, like us?
No, like many things. That I read that I'm hosting KBC possibly.
What do you say?
No, I read about it. Yes, there's many bits of news that keep coming out. Which have something to do with my life, but actually have nothing to do with my life. So we'll see. I mean that project is in kind of in a prep stage. We'll get into casting soon, and you all will know. Nothing will ever be a secret.
Well, so Farhan is neither planning to cast Sonam, nor is he going to host KBC. All he's doing at the moment is only promoting Shaadi Ke side effects. Time for a short break on Bollywood this week. But before that, we'll leave you with these interesting visuals of the recently held Zee Cine Awards. Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood This Week. We cornered actors Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor for an exclusive interview on Zoom. So let's listen in.
Hi.
हाय रणवीर, हाय अर्जुन। क्यों आप हमसे खफा हो?
आप वादा कीजिए आप पिक्चर देखेंगे 14 तारीख को।
हम 14 तारीख को देखेंगे एंड 14 टाइम्स ओवर, प्रॉमिस।
पूरे जूम को छुट्टी मिलेगी।
पूरी टाइम्स ग्रुप, चलो टर्न अराउंड।
पूरी टाइम्स ग्रुप अभी।
That's if I have a job.
टाइम्स की बात होती है।
That's if I have a job till then.
टाइम्स आ गया।
मेरा टाइम्स आ गया।
Okay guys, on a serious note, welcome to the show.
सीरियस नोट?
तो फिर सीरियसली बोलिए।
हो आप।
Welcome to the show.
Mr. Ranveer Singh.
Madhurita, the nation wants to know why we need to go and all watch Gunde on February 14th.
Okay, because it has Arjun Kapoor, it has Ranveer Singh, it has Priyanka Chopra and
Mr. Irfan Khan.
Gotta love him. What a player.
What a player. Slumdog Millionaire. Fly for Five. And now Gunde. To be able to work with a guy like Irfan to begin with, I mean, to be honest, as an actor, superb.
He's a boss actor.
Game changer in the sense. He's made people realize that it's all about performance.
पहले दिन पे जो साथ में हमने सीन किया था उनके साथ, हम तो बस उनको देखते ही रह गए।
हक्के बक्के रह गए।
Really? कैसे मतलब use of his eyes, his body language, his reaction, बस ऐसे ही देख रहे थे। Yeah, he's so gifted. He has such a voice, you know. इस कहानी में सेलब
You know, we heard that when you guys read each other's part, you want to actually swap the roles.
Yeah.
Is that true?
We both had a joint narration. He got a call from Adi, I got a call from Adi. Didn't tell us which role will be for whom.
Okay.
Firstly, he said, "Suno, देखो तुमको करनी है या नहीं." I think we were pretty keen without even hearing it.
So you didn't know your parts at all to start with?
No.
Okay.
We didn't know which part we are being offered. We were being offered a film.
Okay.
They knew what they wanted us to do, but they didn't tell us because I think that would make us only concentrate on. They wanted us to see the bigger picture. We had a fantastic narration. मतलब narration में ये हाल था कि we were on कि अली ने जो narration दिया उसमें background music भी है और effect भी थे.
अरे first of all, straight off the bat. और फिर दो लड़के स्क्रीन की तरफ स्लो मोशन में 48 फ्रेम्स में भाग रहे हैं।
Okay, that detailing, huh?
He is front foot, I'm back foot. I'm laid back, he's impulsive. And Ali made us realize, he said, you guys are now doing Lutera and Aurangzeb, and he has Ram Leela, I had 2 states. He said, but by the time this film comes, you need to do something different. Don't be in that comfort zone of playing yourself. Then what is your push? What is your drive in front of the camera?
Bala is like Shivag. And Bikram is like Dravid.
He summed up my 30-minute narration.
That's it. But you know, like films on romance is something we haven't seen much. You know, there was Dostana quite some time ago. It takes a lot of confidence from 2 very big actors to come together and do this. You know, even if the movie excited you so much, somewhere, you know, it takes very good actors and very confident actors to come together. Ranveer.
Yeah, you have to be secure. You have to be confident of your own ability. To be able to do that.
This producer could have gone to any mainstream actor and offered the script.
Right.
It's such a well-written script in terms of 2 roles. Chota Muh Badi Baat to talk about the success or failure of a film.
Yeah.
But as characters, I think he would have got any A-list actor at that point to do it. He's chosen us. Correct, so I think he had that belief we are compatible. So then why get into that insecurity and thought process?
Yeah. Okay, it was great talking to you all and they won't let me talk anymore. So thank you so much. We had a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed so much.
No, we had a blast. Thank you for having us here.
Thank you so much.
Moving on, here's B-Town's Desi girl who's gone all out to share details about her love life exclusively with Zoom. Take a look in our next story. Not just in real life. In real life too, Priyanka Chopra's entry has made 2 of her admirers go gaga over her.
जी हुआ है
कब हुआ था ये?
काफी बार हुआ है
But if you thought this was Priyanka's romantic words just around Valentine's Day, then hold your thought. Because now we'll show you Priyanka's biggest confession about her love life.
प्रियंका बताइए कभी रियल लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है कि 2 लड़के एक साथ प्रियंका की अटेंशन के लिए वो कर रहे हो, फाइट कर रहे हो?
जी हुआ है
कब हुआ था ये?
काफी बार हुआ है।
मतलब इंडस्ट्री में अभी हाल के दिनों में भी हो रहा है?
इंडस्ट्री में भी हुआ है और मतलब होता ही है ना,
Well, PC exclusively revealed her biggest secret, something which has always been happening in the industry but has always remained a big secret. And while others choose to stay tight-lipped about such matters, Priyanka has gone all out to share with us about her real-life love triangle. Just the way Ranbir and Arjun both are trying to impress Priyanka in Gunde, in real life too there have been two actors who have tried to impress PC. But who are they? Are they the same rumoured exes who have been linked with PC earlier, or is it someone else?
मैं किसी चीज का नाम देती हूँ आपको का नाम कितने सालों का एक्सपीरियंस है
कभी बहुत
Well, that was quite a wicked laughter. Or it could also mean that there are many who try to impress her, but none from the industry match up to her standards.
लड़के से
कभी नहीं बोला मुझे ये पता नहीं कौन होगा मेरे लायक होना चाहिए वो बड़ा मुश्किल है थोड़ा
अच्छा आपकी
स्टैंडर्ड्स बहुत हाई
Well, everyone knows about PC's high standards, but the new thing that we got to know that Priyanka's offer is open for the industry people as well. But the only problem is that they're not able to match up to Priyanka's high standards. And that's not all. Her expectations are confusing as well. A good guy is not fit for her.
I like bad boys. I like bad boys.
Well, now where could we get a bad boy who's also good enough to match up to PC's standards?
लड़के से
कभी नहीं बोला मुझे ये पता नहीं कौन होगा मेरे लायक होना चाहिए वो बड़ा मुश्किल है
अच्छा आपकी
स्टैंडर्ड्स बहुत हाई
वो तो आप कितनी बार बोल चुकी हैं आपके स्टैंडर्ड्स बहुत हाई लोग अपने स्टैंडर्ड बढ़ाने के चक्कर में लोग ढूंढते कहीं ये स्टैंडर्ड मिलते प्रियंका चोपड़ा कहीं खरीद लिए जाए इस तरह से कि मैं उस
प्रियंका के स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं क्या
Let's see how far can PC push a marriage by using the high standards trick. But the fact still remains that in real life too, there have been two people who have tried to impress Priyanka.
प्रियंका बताइए कभी रियल लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है किसी की दो लड़के एक साथ प्रियंका की अटेंशन के लिए वो कर रहे हो फाइट कर रहे हो
जी हुआ है
कब हुआ था ये
काफी बार हुआ है
मतलब इंडस्ट्री में अभी हाल के दिनों में भी हो रहा है
इंडस्ट्री में भी हुआ है और मतलब होता ही है ना मतलब होता ही है ना
Time for a short break on Bollywood this week. But when we come back, Vidya Balan's candid chat on Zoom. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood this week. We cornered the talented actress Vidya Balan for a candid chat on Zoom. So let's listen in.
शादी के बाद वैलेंटाइन के क्या साइड इफेक्ट हो सकते हैं मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन मेरे साथ में जो एक्ट्रेस हैं उनसे पूछते हैं कि शादी के बाद अगर किसी को वैलेंटाइन मनाना हो तो क्या कैसे मना सकते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू ज़ूम विद्या।
थैंक यू, आपने मुझे इस सवाल से डरा दिया है कि शादी के बाद एक ही तो वैलेंटाइन हो सकता है, किसी और को बनाना है कि उन्हीं को बनाना है।
तो यू बिलीव इन वैलेंटाइन, ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ओवरऑल?
नॉट रियली। आई बिलीव दैट यू नो अगर आप एक दूसरे को हर रोज या एटलीस्ट ऑफन इनफ एक दूसरे को स्पेशल फील करवा सकते हैं तो यू शुड डू दैट। रोमांस बनी रहनी चाहिए, पर अगर साल में एक दिन इसीलिए रखा गया है वैलेंटाइंस डे कि आप खास कुछ अपने पार्टनर के लिए कर सकते हैं या दोनों के लिए वक्त निकाल सकते हैं, तो यू शुड डू दैट ऑल्सो।
एंड शादी के बाद सबसे लास्ट ऐसा कौन सा रोमांटिक थिंग आप दोनों ने या आपने सिद्धार्थ के लिए या सिद्धार्थ आपने आपके लिए कुछ किया हो?
एक्चुअली मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा रोमांटिक हूँ, पर मेरे लिए कुछ रोमांटिक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती सिद्धार्थ को। मैं हर चीज़ में रोमांस ढूंढती रहती हूँ, बट आई लाइक गोइंग फॉर लॉन्ग ड्राइव्स, लिसनिंग टू नाइस म्यूज़िक। तो मेरी बहुत सिंपल सी चाहें हैं और वो पूरी भी हो जाती है।
एंड यू नो विद्या, मेरे पास कुछ चीज़ें हैं, कुछ पॉप हैं जो जिसे देखकर आप कुछ अगर कहना चाहें, जैसे ये है मेरे पास, ठीक है? हम ओके, शिल स्टार्ट विद बिल्कुल
बालन या बेलन। ओके
तो इससे यही हो सकता है, मतलब अभी तक आपने इसका इस्तेमाल घर में किया है? मतलब यू लाइक कभी
नहीं, मैं रोटी बेलती हूँ जी, वो इंडिया के मैप के शेप में आ ही जाता है। और मेरा भारत महान कहना पड़ता है सिद्धार्थ को फिर।
ओके, शादी के बाद कितना खर्चा किया है आपके लिए उन्होंने आप पर, या व्हाट डू थिंक अबाउट मनी को लेकर, व्हाट डू थिंक? पैसा,
पैसे के बारे में मैं कभी गिनती नहीं हूँ और मुझे नहीं पता कि उन्होंने कितने खर्च किए हैं या फिर मैंने
इस वैलेंटाइन पे कुछ खर्च करें आपके लिए स्पेशल गिफ्ट?
नहीं, वो बेचारे करते हैं बिना चाहे वो करते हैं। एक्चुअली मुझे पैसे समझ में नहीं आते, वेरी जेन्युइनली। तो आई थिंक इवन जस्ट अ रोज मेक्स मी हैप्पी, यू नो। वो कीमती गिफ्ट हो या फिर मुझे उन सब चीज़ों की एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है, सिर्फ जस्ट दैट फीलिंग, लाइक आई सेड, इवन अ रोज कैन बी एब्सोल्युटली स्पेशल।
रोज की बात कर रही तो रोज है मेरे पास, तो
रोज बट मैं कह रही हूँ रोज तो सिद्धार्थ अगर देख रहे हैं तो याद रखिए, रोज।
लास्टली अपने फैंस को कुछ वैलेंटाइन पे कुछ विश करना चाहिए?
हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे। आई होप योर एवरी डे is filled with as much love and specialness as is Valentine's Day. If you're single, I hope you find your loved one. If you found your loved one, cherish that person. And most importantly, come together and watch Shaadi ke side effects.